Next topic is the clip art in the Microsoft Word. So here is the option of clip art. Basically, the clip art refers to the graphics or a pictures that you can insert in your documents. It comes in a different format and the different styles. So basically, it is used to enhance the appearance of your document with the help of graphical formats. So here is the layout of the clip art. Here is the option. We can search for the particular word if we want to find, or if you want to search for the computer, then we can type a spelling of computer in a search box and click on go. So the system generates or returns the n number of computer related pictures. If we select that picture, the picture is inserted in your document. So basically it is used for to represent the graphical formats or the graphics or the picture for the easy to understand for the end user. Actually, the Microsoft Clip Art and replace it with the Bing Image Search. ओके. आता जे नवीन व्हर्जन्स आहे त्याच्यामध्ये क्लिप आर्टच्या ऐवजी बिंग इमेज सर्च असं नावाचं एक ऑप्शन अवेलेबल करून दिलेलं आहे थ्रू विच वी हॅव टू insert that particular images. Basically, the clip art in the particular graphics art, it is pre-made images which is used for illustration or illustrate any media. Basically, the clip art is used for the extensively clip art comes in many forms, both electronics and printed format. So basically, it is used to represent the information in the graphical formats. So next option is the shapes. Here we have to consider the different shapes. For example, first tab is used to return the recently used shapes which is recently used in your document. Then line, rectangular, basic shapes, arrows for preparing the mathematical equations or some graphical representation or with the help of some flow, or if you want to create some objects, then we can use that particular shape for preparing that. So we can use the particular option. Here is the option new drawing canvas. We can easily draw the particular object, means we can create some object on the particular canvas frame. So we can move that frame with the help of drag and drop. So we can insert n number of options here. If you want to draw the circle, we can represent the circle. After selecting that particular shape, we can format the particular property of that particular shape. Here we can fill the color with the help of different color shades of that particular object. After that, we can change the thickness of your border, outer line. The effect of that particular thing means we can create a shadow, 3D reflections of your particular object is here. So there is a n number of options we can use after selecting the given shape. Then smart art. Basically, the smart is a dynamic type of image that you will often see in the PowerPoint slides. Basically, the smart art can be used to the group list of the information together through the bullet list. For example, if you consider the process or we can consider the thought cycle, then we can, once we can click on that particular parameter, graphics is automatically sized into your slide. So with the help of this, we can create a hierarchical representation. If we consider the hierarchical representation, we can select the n number of option here. Then we can consider the circle representation of the given. Then if you want to display the process of execution of anything, so we can refer this with the help of smart art. For example, if we display the hierarchical format of anything or any topic, then we need to be consider select insert. Okay. Here we can insert the name of that particular label. If we create a hierarchy of RSM Polytechnic, here we can insert the particular heading RS Poly. Next, we can define that text or RSM Poly is divided into the two category. For example, computer department, and next one is the IT. In computer department, we can consider the first year, second year, and third year. So if we want to insert new parameter, then we have to press enter. Again in IT, FY, SY, and TY. So here with the help of smart art, we can prepare the hierarchical format or any other formats. Next one is the chart. So basically the chart in the Microsoft Word of that particular window, which is look like a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So basically the chart is used for representing the numerical information or text information into the data graphical format. So basically the data is represented by the symbols. For example, we can use the bar graph is here. Then we have to use the line in the line chart. Then we have to use the pie chart. So there is a n number of parameters which is belong to the chart is here. So if you want to display the result analysis of first year student, second year student, and third year student, so we can use that bar to represent this. Here is the appearance of that bar, and it's connected with the Excel sheet, because whenever we insert that particular value to that particular series of the particular bar, then it is represented with the count is mentioned here. For example, if you want to display the result of FYCM, then SYCM, then TYCM. If you want to delete this, then we can represent 10, 5, 10, 5, 7. Here is the subject. For example, if you want to display the subject for science, 8. So here is the reflection of here. The science represent with the help of blue color, mathematical subjects represent with the help of red color, and language represent with the help of green color. So it is the representation of chart is here. Next option is screenshot. With the help of this, we have to take a screenshot which is already available in your system. Here is the option screen clipping. So we can clip the screen is here. If you want to select that part, we can select the part and insert in your document. Next option is the hyperlink. So if you want to create a hyperlink, means example, here is what if we consider the Priyanka word as a hyperlink, means whenever we click on that particular word, the system shifts to the next page, which is linked up with that particular word. So we can select that word, then click on the hyperlink. If you want to display the particular information, for example, here we can select any document. For example, this C file is here, or this is your something image of student management system. I don't know. But if you want to select that particular parameter, click OK. The color of that word gets changed into the blue color. So whenever we can click on that particular word, we can shift to that particular document which is linked with that word. So next one is the bookmark. We can create a bookmark for the reference की तुम्ही किती नंबरच्या पेजवर आता करंटली वर्किंग आहे. सो आपण तिथे बुकमार्कला नेम असाइन करू शकतो. क्रॉस रेफरन्स बेसिकली इट इज यूज फॉर गिव द रेफरन्स. So basically the cross-reference allow you to link to the other part of your same document. Means the cross-reference appear as a link that takes the record to the reference item. If you want to link to the separate document, you can create a hyperlink. Okay. जर आता तुम्हाला सेम डॉक्युमेंट मध्ये लिंक करायचे असेल तर तुम्ही तिथे क्रॉस रेफरन्स यूज करू शकतात. Next one is the header. Basically, header is used to represent the header title for that document. If we select the header option, here is a number of different appearance of header. If you want to select that part, the header is this document. If we consider the ICT is here, so every document having a header information with the same content. Next one is the footer. Here we can enter the department name, for example, computer technology, and here is the page number. Next is the page number. So it is the आता ह्या फुटरला बाय डिफॉल्ट पेज होतं. जर तुम्ही इथलं दुसरं ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट केलं असता तर तिथे तुम्हाला फक्त टेक्स्ट टाकता आला असतं आणि पेज नंबर थ्रू तुम्हाला पेज नंबर कुठे हवं त्याचा अपीअरन्स पण इथून काय करता येतो, सेट करता येतो. नेक्स्ट इन्सर्ट टेक्स्ट बॉक्स. आता सपोज मला टेक्स्ट बॉक्स इन्सर्ट करायचा आहे इन बिटवीन युअर डॉक्युमेंट, तर इथे मी काय करू शकते, इन्फॉर्मेशन लिहू शकते आणि तो टेक्स्ट बॉक्स सपोज मला तो रँडमली कुठेतरी प्लेस करायचा, अरेंज करायचा, तिथे मी अरेंज करू शकते. Here is the auto text. Next one is the word art. We can, if you want to select that particular word, then we can change the appearance of that word is here.